Okay, we're back with episode 4. I am Tiz, and if you have been following along with this journey, we are in country number 2. I actually just got to Italy, so there will be another vlog about all of these travels here in a little bit, but I needed to make a recap of everything that happened in the last week or 2. So I already posted day 1 of Greece in combination with my travel video, which I will link somewhere. So I had day 1 of Greece, but then I was back in Athens and we did a little bit more exploring and some food and some walking around the streets. So this is going to be hopefully a quick little vlog of all of those things starting now. I tend to like to stay off the beaten path, but sometimes you have to go see the touristy things because, I mean, look at it. Except videos and photos will never do these things justice. The reality of really cool touristy things is there's so many people. But look, it's the Parthenon. That's pretty freaking cool. One of my favorite things is architecture, so we got that. This is the Temple of Athena and Nike, I think, down here. And I'm not sure what this is. I haven't walked over there yet, but just figured I'd do a really quick. I keep doing videos without talking, but I really need to be talking more rather than just showing you the stuff, so. Anyway, the coolest part about this is the view. These were super cool. It showed the differences in limestone inscriptions from 375 BC all the way to... Wait for it. Wait for it. About 250 AD. I'm gonna walk that now. Look how crazy it is. Another cool thing about the city is you can be walking around the city, and then there's just like ruins that they build the city around. It's kind of cool. The city is awesome just to wander around and see the sights, especially in the evening, and then we stumbled upon some live music. Trams are an awesome way to get around, and they're air conditioned, so we went and had a beach day. My favorite parts about Greece? The food. All of these were from completely gluten-free restaurants. I'll drop them in the comments in case anyone is interested, and I was absolutely obsessed. Another really neat part about Athens is there's tons of street art and graffiti everywhere, and these are a couple of my favorite pieces. Oh, also there's cats everywhere. There's also buses you can take, but the most reliable for me was just catching the metro. Early airport time to now. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you coming on this journey with me. Feel free to leave me any comments. I would love the feedback because I am currently learning how to vlog and do this whole process. So thank you guys for hanging out with me. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, some gaming stuff, maybe book reviews. I don't know. My channel is going to be a little bit of everything because I like doing too many different things. But regardless, thank you for coming on this journey with me, and I will see you next episode.